Hello student, how are you? Today we are going to start new practical construction and testing. Construction and testing of simple diode detector circuit. Aim to construct and test a simple diode detector circuit. List of equipment required for this experiment is signal generator, DC power supply 0 to 30 volt, digital multimeter DMM, CRO cathode ray oscilloscope, breadboard, wire cutter, etc. List of electronic component with specification. Serial number 1 resistor R1 R2. Value of the resistor is 33 kilo ohm plus minus 5% tolerance. Specification of resistor is quarter watt carbon composition fixed resistor. Quantity required 2 numbers. Resistor R3 47 kilo ohm plus minus 5% quarter watt carbon composition fixed resistor. Quantity required 1 number. Next is the capacitor C1 0.1 microfarad ceramic disc capacitor, number of quantity is 1. C2 C3 0.01 microfarad ceramic disc capacitor, number of quantity required 2. Diode D1, the number and the value of the diode is IN4007. Silicon rectifier diode, number quantity required 1. IFT coil means intermediate frequency transformer coil, IFT3 455 kilohertz frequency, quantity required number is 1. Theory regarding this experiment, the process in which RF means radio frequency carrier in the modulated signal is filtered out and original audio frequency AF audio frequency modulating signal is recovered is called as demodulation or detection. This process is known as detection or demodulation. AM detector is used for recovering original information means modulating signal from the amplitude modulation means AM signal. AM signal means amplitude modulation signal is given to the LC tank means tune circuit in radio receiver. In positive half cycle of AM signal means amplitude modulation signal, diode D conduct as it is forward bias. In AM signal means amplitude modulation signal, AF and RF components means audio frequency and radio frequency components are present. The reactance of capacitor C is low for RF component as Xc is equal to 1 by 2 pi Fc. Therefore, RF carrier component is bypassed to the ground through capacitor and it vanishes. The capacitive reactance is more for AF components. Therefore, instead of going to the capacitor, it goes through the resistors and produce a voltage in it. Thus, the original AF means audio frequency modulating signal can be recovered. In a radio receiver, resistor R is a variable resistance. It is used as volume control which control the level of sound output. Feedback is given to the AGC automatic gain control circuit from the AM detector. Circuit diagram is shown in the figure. Circuit consists of C1 capacitor, diode D1, resistor R1, R3, R2, capacitor C2, C3, and IFT coil in the circuit. Procedure: connect all electronic component as per given circuit diagram figure shown in the above figure. Apply amplitude modulated signal to the input. For negative half cycle of the input, measure output voltage across resistor R by using digital multimeter DMM and note it in observation table. Observe input and output waveform on CRO and draw it on the graph paper. Input waveform and output waveform is also shown in the given figure. Conclusion of this experiment: in AM detector, RF carrier signal is the modulated signal is filtered out and original AF means audio frequency signal modulating signal is obtained at the output. There is assignment for you. Write down in your copy and show me later on. What is demodulator? Explain working of AM detector. And third one is, where do AM detector is used? What do you mean by AF and RF signal? What is the range of AF signal? Okay, thank you, student.